to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Marcia. And Marcia has given Tina Chin some advice, as she's saying that basically that Tina needs to go into church, maybe not to get baptized, but to just go there and to, you know, get some prayer or something because people are going a far extent. And she's just reminiscing also on what happened with her job, and other places that she's saying that people had called about her. Now, in my opinion, social media is getting really, really bad because people are no longer having humanity. It's like there's a lack of humanity on social media. People are no longer thinking about do unto others as you'd like them to want to. In the spirit of, would you want someone to be the cause of you losing your job that is making your bread for you to feed your family? Would you like for someone to make you homeless when you had a bed to lay on, you had a place to call your home? Would you like that for yourself? We have to look in ourselves and think about this because it's gotten too far. What was funny is no longer funny. We have gotten to the point where we lost all humanity. We're no longer human. We've lost the value of being our brothers or sisters, or brothers keepers. Now, I mean, people are not going to agree on everything, but when you disagree as an adult, you treat it as an adult. We're not expected to throw a tantrum like kids. The behavior that is happening on social media nowadays, it's a kid's behavior. It's reaction for kids that love throwing tantrums. They will try to get back at you at any cost. But this in itself is not right. How do you call somebody's workplace and get them fired? How do you call somebody's landlord to get them evicted? We need to stop at some point because it's not right. You may have disagreements, yes. Disagree to agree, or disagree, but not making it this way by trying to have someone lose their job or losing their jobs or even losing their homes. In America, it's not easy finding a home in the winter time. It's very hard. And that's the reason why most people try to find housing in the summertime. Be very mindful that when we do something, it may not affect us right now, but later on in life, it will come back to us 50 or 100 folds. And sometimes what we do may not come back to even us. We have to think about our kids. We have to think about our grandkids, our great grandkids in the future. Because the reality is, whatever we do in this life is coming back some way, in some shape or form. It's called karma. And while it may not fall on you, the adult, it may fall on your kids or your grandkids or your great grandkids. But it's going to fall somewhere in your generation. Be mindful and stop being kids. Be adults. Settle your differences. Whatever disagreement you have, if it's a disagreement that cannot be settled, let it be. But don't move social media into the real world where you're getting in people's faces, trying to attack them, trying to basically have them lose their jobs or allowing them to lose their jobs, and then trying to get them evicted. We need to stop at some point. We're adults. Now, that is from me, and whoever needs to comment can go ahead and comment. And say your few pieces too, because this is not a one sided thing. This is for everyone on social media. We need to stop. We're adults. All right? And for my people out there that are celebrating their birthdays today, I just want to wish you a happy birthday. And I wish you prosperity and long life joy. And for my subscribers, my followers, and my other friends, I love these. I love you all. Have yourselves a wonderful day. And please keep in mind what I just said, because this is a serious time, which means we have to move and watch our backs at all times. Have a great day.
Some of them out there thought them don't even have a bicycle wheel. Them don't even look good. Them just sit down on them veranda, sit down in their house and I watch me and you going out to party, going out places and living our life. Them don't even go to church. So now how you go and beat them the demon there? You can't fight fire with fire. You have to help yourself. You have to help yourself. Girl, you have to help yourself. You can't fight them with the flesh. Else them could drive you crazy. You cannot fight them with the flesh. You have to cover yourself first. Before you have to cover yourself. I mean, I'm talking about you have to cover yourself. Yeah, you have to cover yourself. And get yourself into the church. You don't have to go baptized, but just take a foot one day in a Sunday church and go to one good church. You want them stop mess with you? Go to a Catholic church. You live in a white neighborhood, find yourself in a Catholic church and carry them name go altar. Go into the Catholic church if you want them come off of you. Me soon fix them, no worry yourself. I soon fix them blood clot out here. Go into a Catholic church and carry them name go altar. I bet you them start mess with you. I bet you them start mess with you. Carry them name to a Catholic church and go talk to the priest on the altar. Catholic people don't ramp. Since as them can't keep their ass quiet and they want to take out people and make people not have no money, and a them alone for live in a house, and them alone for have money in them pocket, carry them ass going to one Catholic church. Go bathe off yourself with some sin thing. You need to send me a message and I will tell you what to do. You have time. Don't make them take you out your business character because you have all cake out there. Yes, I will send you a message. Carry them, if them don't want to hear me and feel, carry them to a Catholic church. And go light one candle for them rascal in a church. And eye for an eye. You watch me a weekend, yeah. Straight now a Catholic church, me I go for them pussy clot out, yeah. Straight in there, me I go. For them. Straight in there, me go in. For them ras. Since as them can't hear, then we feel. Since as them want to come take money out of my pocket and I call down homelessness for me, well, and I for an eye, we call back down homeless for them too. If somebody do a little crime and somebody spend over a decade and do them time, She don't even have a record. And them a bring up the past. Same God Almighty way. Then look for the amount of content creator out there. And who know I call people, if tell people, if evict people. Eh? And the same thing them do me over Woodland Village, do you know? The same thing the boy over there, so when you're 300, do you know? Uh-huh. The same thing them call up all kind of people, then call up all kind, then call up welfare, them call up Section 8 and Section 9. The fuck of them not get no result because me no hear them, they start something there. Them call up disability, say me have disability, me know them do it. And I don't even look upon them. Because true me know say me not depend them, they start something there. I don't pay them no mind. You see, thing about it, these people don't know who God is. Them don't know say when you worship God, and God is here for the sinner and not for the righteous. Him love all away. Sometimes we turn it from away when him say no, that is enough. Them feel like say at them alone feel live out here. And them a join alliance and them a join alliance with the wrong people. When them go join alliance with Jesus. Eh? Oh, God bless, no man curse. I mean, no man bless, I mean a curse. What they want from me is not what God wants for me. But these people need to put in subjection. Them are going from bad to worse. Every single day them come out here, come drag me down. And drag my son down. Every day them come out here, come call me homeless. And not today day them a call me homeless, you know. All when me live in a house, them a call me homeless. Eh? You see, their mouth is a weapon. And it says life and death is in the power of the tongue. I have to bind that up and send back that to the pit of hell. So these people, they form an alliance with them wicked tongue, because the Bible stated life and death is in the power of the tongue. And you notice what these people do? They come out here every day and repeat the same thing over and over because they want the weapon to catch you. Well, me I could tell you, say, it is going right back to sender can not catch me. And this is how wickedness happen. Because them come out here and them repeat the same thing over and over. Sleeping in your car, sleeping in the storage, you feel be homeless. And then what happen now? You know, see that they want to happen. And when things don't want to happen like that, them take it, them go further into wickedness in high places. You don't have to have nothing really for people to grudge you and bad mind, you know. The thing about it, you know, what other people can see on you, you can't even see it by yourself. So me can sit in my house and me no know say me have a light a shine for me. And them can stay which part them they can see it for me and yet me. Because them see the grace for me, them say then how she not have this and that and she live this away, yeah. Do you know how much of them jealous of me for the way me live in my life? No make them fool you. I always see them come out here and talking about me living in a vehicle and me not have this. They are very jealous of me. That's why the enemy can sit on my page on a daily basis for 3-4 hours and watch me and take it over their page and talk about it. It's only persons who are obsessed with somebody would spend so many time doing illegal work illegally. Remember taking my contents from my page and taking it over to their page and streaming all of it. What do you call that, Carol and Violet? What do you call that? If your enemy can come on your page and take your contents that you set on your own page and you do your work, just as what the Bible stated when he give out the talent to the people them. what they want them bury it. So it's like these bloggers are burying them own talent, They call them jealous of mine. Me take my one talent when me come out here with, and me show it and me have different things. But them for them wanna grow. Them can't wait for them grow. Them not invest in it and whatever. They come over here and they take my content, take it over them page. And I like say these motherfuckers are streaming my videos to say 1 30 minutes or 15 seconds or 20 minutes. These motherfuckers are streaming the whole entire video for 3-4 hours. That is an obsession. So when you see people can do those things barefaced, they will do you harm. They will do you harm and evil. Erica, the landlord, is highly jealous of me. That woman is obsessed with me. She has been on me for 3 years straight now. For the whole of 2024, she's on me. For the whole of 2023, she's on me. And you guys sit here and saw that for yourself. Not day no pass. What you think happened to somebody when you see somebody take set on you for all those years? Look how much months in a year and days. Count those and be realistic here tonight. If somebody can constantly repeating the same thing over and over and over again. What you think those person will do for you? What you think they will do to you? She said the woman obsessed with me. See, it doesn't matter who class are out here. Remember, a 13 come and dash out her man, her ex-husband, and her children, them, Lorraine over there, I slap her up with some memory. Who you think she should have depend for the whole week? Who take out her 2 buffalo daughter them and Batman's son and come out here? Eh? She can't go on 13 them and whatever like she then somebody, one of my lovely supporters carry come on my page, sending a WhatsApp, come give me. Cause me now follow them the page if you see where dash out. Who are up until today day she can't cuss them, ride them. And me, the woman I ride. The woman is so obsessed with me. The woman gone in an album, gone take out pictures from 2012. When me just have one little put on, me have me dress at Jamaica when me left down there when me wear, got one wedding. And my husband said, no, we want to get married before we go back on the farm working program at Canada. We forgot to do one little something. Then we do the big one. So me show on my little new dress so me they have. I think me wear it at my cousin's wedding. And go in a church just with about 4 witnesses. And we are planned to keep a big wedding in the June coming. The woman out with my picture. I dash out. Oh, she have a dirty dress. Look on the piece of old care. I mean, that is obsession. Me know the family where she married in. And some people, and me never tell a woman say married to the name there. Eh? Don't you say a Maryland the man did that? And me no hold no argument with woman in Maryland. The woman come over and she twist up. Me say the woman obsessed. She lie. Me say when the Bible stated when somebody lie like that a she and the boy and 13 is like that, They make up story, They make up story. The Bible said they are sons and daughters of the devil. And me, she have strength for. Every day, a bunny her. So just because she hate me now, everybody else dash out her pitney. Do we and them all of them dash out. And me the woman I said we. Me left my old apartment from December the 4th, 2023. The woman gone per whole video, taking out whole pictures and a blog. Because that don't make no sense. That is these people need psychological evaluation. This is an obsession with me. Me don't know it's a woman obsessed with me for. Eh? No, she said she have 4 or 5 bedroom house in Jamaica. Look how far me live in the USA with my nice, lovely passport in my hand. They say me don't have nothing, but me rather have a passport for the United States of America than have a house in Jamaica and live like a dog. And I walk a beg. Let me repeat myself. I rather to live in the United States of America with my passport than to live into a house in Jamaica where me can't afford to maintain. And dip on social media begging like a dog and disrespecting people with lies to make money. Let me repeat it. I rather to live in the United States with American passport than to live in a house, a 4-bedroom empty house. The house is Allah. The house is empty. The house don't have no love. It don't have no peace. It don't have no joy. And it don't have no happiness. None are pitting them no counter. Them not call her big Christmas and she have 4 or 5 bedroom house and there is nobody there to spend Christmas. You people got to understand this lady live in Jamaica and her mother is living into a old piece of old house in a one bush. And this woman have a 4-bedroom or 5-bedroom apartment house in Jamaica. Where she sell pussy and buy with a white fat man with carry her go Belgium and rob the man money, the man house, where she take away. And every year, she sit down on social media, obsessed with me. And she have 4 children. She claims she said she have 2 daughters, 1 son, and 1 adopted son. And you don't see nobody. You have never seen that woman set up a nice dinner table and nobody come and break bed with her. Let me talk here tonight. Nobody come to break bread with her. And she have a house and a big ass old table. She abandoned her mother when her life could have better off. She could have dared not take care of her mother, them a sense, but take her. The woman no have no love. Who she pick pan? Marcia, we have all the love and attention, affection. You tell me. Eh? You never see nobody come her house. She never invite nobody over come over for dinner. She have family. Them not, she and them, none of them not chat. So when you look at a woman where your mother sit down in a one situation and she have a house and all she can do is to come on social media and map a little whole cheap tile. And I go on like so she cleaner than anybody else. I don't understand how this woman all the time says she a clean house. One little part of the house and a clean house. And she look dirty like somebody come out of one hog pen. How the hell you a clean house and you look so dirty? You tell me. Eh? How you look so dirty? How you feel live in our established area of Portland and look like a blood clot shit house and come and talking about people? Eh? And who grudge you for a house and who want the house there? If me ever get that the house there, and me if I buy a piece of land like this, so me burn down the house and come on and want no whore in house to live in. No girl we sell pussy around here like a you. If you come boast by house with me. Eh? Me don't know where she obsessed. What make you go cost the people them? Me see she dey on Facebook and she call one woman a Barbados job. And the woman stayed there so. The woman last year in July, she knows me in my workplace. If people did not know. And I was doing live at my workplace and there was some certificates on the wall with the client daughter name. And she, everywhere me go, from me live, she take picture, draw up. If me in my vehicle, she draw up in my vehicle and say me live in my vehicle. And my merchandise them me have in my vehicle. Me have my merchandise. Then me sell sheets. I sell quilt. I sell all kind of stuff. Me always have whole heap of things. All my shoes them. Me must have over 6 pair of shoes in my vehicle. Cause once me go out and me take them off, I don't carry them back in the house. Because my shoes them is very tall. So when I go in the vehicle and me dance all night, me just throw them right in there. So you see when me I go out again, me just go in and me back of my truck. Most women are like that. Because me have plenty, plenty, plenty. So if me want left shoes in my truck or left something in my truck and coat, me have extra coat, me left in my truck. I drive a 7-seater. Me drive one of the biggest Toyota truck. Toyota Highlander Limited Edition. It's a 7-seater. And I'm me and God alone driving at that. The only time me drive with me, somebody driving at me, drive with me, and when time me go pick up my friend or them sort of